So far, we have seen can collide and the option of anchoring these parts. Now, there is one more thing to notice, which is this block of collisions. On the top left corner, you will see these collisions available here. So, if you click on it, uh, this will select the collisions option. And if you click again, then this is basically not selecting the collisions. So what does this do? Uh, so can collide is different from collisions. When you check can collide option, then basically your player or any other human figure in your game will not be able to pass through that object. But uh, collisions is different. Collisions is an interaction between uh, different parts, not specifically between a player and a part. So let me try to move these objects and uh, let them let me make them come closer to each other so that we can explore collisions option better. So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to put these two parts inside one another. So I'm going to move them on top of each other and then push one part inside another. And as you can see here, uh, only the top portion of this wall is visible and rest of it is somewhere inside our cylinder. So you see that? So we have not scaled it up. If I move it upwards, then you will see the wall size is the same. I have simply pushed it down inside the cylinder. So this is because the collisions is off. Now let me turn the collision on and try to do the same thing again. So you can either move the cylinder upward or you can move the wall downward. Anything is fine. Now let me turn the collisions on for the wall, and when I try to push it down, no matter how hard I try or how many times I try, it's not going to go inside the cylinder. Now let me try to move the cylinder upward. It is not able to go through the wall because the collisions is turned on for the wall. Now the collisions option is not on for the cylinder. So what would happen if I turn off the collisions for cylinder? So if I try to push the cylinder down, it is passing through the ground. So as you can see, the cylinder has basically gone down inside uh, this ground here. So this will give you a better perspective. And if I turn on the collisions for the cylinder, then the cylinder will not go inside the wall or the ground. Now, if I want to combine two parts together, then I have to turn off the collisions. And once that part is fixed, then I can turn on the collisions back again. So turn off, the part goes inside this, and if I turn it on again, then the wall, and if I try to move the wall inside the cylinder, then it will not pass through. So whenever you want to combine two objects, this is a good way to turn off the collisions and move the parts together one another or one inside another, and turn it back when you don't want the parts to um, combine with each other. So there is a difference between collisions and can collide. This is important to notice.